Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part. If accounting software pricing were a dating app, Xero would definitely say, it's simple, and then slowly reveal commitment issues as you scroll. So let's skip the small talk and start directly with the numbers. Xero UK uses a tiered pricing structure designed to scale with your business. But that scaling comes with increasing monthly costs. The entry-level Ignite plan usually sits around £16 per month before discounts. This plan is aimed at very small businesses and covers essentials like sending invoices and quotes, basic reporting, bank reconciliation, and making tax digital compliance for VAT. However, it comes with limits that many businesses outgrow quickly, such as caps on bills and more basic reporting access. Next is the Grow plan, typically priced around £37 per month. This is where Xero starts to feel more complete. It removes many usage limits and adds full invoicing and billing workflows, stronger reporting, and more flexibility for day-to-day bookkeeping. For many small UK businesses, Grow is the minimum tier that feels usable long-term. Above that is the comprehensive plan, usually around £50 per month. This tier unlocks multi-currency accounting, expense claims, project tracking, and deeper financial insights. It's designed for businesses that operate internationally, manage projects, or want more granular control over profitability and cash flow. At the top end is Xero Ultimate, typically priced around £65 per month, which includes advanced analytics, enhanced forecasting, and higher limits across the platform. Payroll, CIS, and some payment features are often priced separately, which means real-world costs can creep higher than the headline number. Feature-wise, Xero UK is one of the most powerful cloud accounting platforms available. It supports invoicing, quotes, bills, expenses, bank feeds, inventory tracking, fixed assets, purchase orders, and multi-currency accounting on higher plans. Bank reconciliation is fast and intuitive, using smart rules and matching to reduce manual data entry. Dashboards are customizable, giving business owners a real-time snapshot of cash flow, overdue invoices, and overall financial health. Xero is fully compliant with making tax digital in the UK and allows direct VAT submissions to HMRC. It supports CIS for subcontractors, integrates payroll solutions, and offers advanced reporting that accountants rely on for year-end and advisory work. Collaboration is a major strength. Accountants and bookkeepers can access the same data simultaneously, review transactions, post adjustments, and submit filings without exporting files or sending spreadsheets back and forth. One of Xero's biggest advantages is its app ecosystem. With hundreds of integrations covering payments, payroll, CRM, inventory management, forecasting, and e-commerce platforms, Xero can be customized to fit almost any workflow. This flexibility makes it especially attractive to growing businesses with complex needs. The pros of Xero UK are scalability, depth, and ecosystem strength. It's ideal for businesses that expect to grow, need advanced reporting, or want access to a large range of third-party tools. Accountants often recommend Xero because it's structured, reliable, and widely supported across the UK. The cons are cost and complexity. Monthly fees increase quickly as you move up plans, and add-ons like payroll can push the total even higher. Smaller businesses may find themselves paying for features they don't fully use, and beginners can face a learning curve before feeling comfortable navigating the system. Now let's switch gears, because Pandle takes almost the opposite approach to accounting software, and that difference becomes obvious the moment you look at pricing. Pandle offers a genuinely free plan that stays free forever, covering core bookkeeping without time limits, trials, or forced upgrades. For businesses that want automation, Pandle Pro is priced at exactly £5 per month plus VAT, with no tiers, no per-user fees, and no hidden add-ons. That single flat price unlocks all automation features, making Pandle one of the most transparent and predictable accounting tools available in the UK. Feature-wise, Pandle is intentionally streamlined to focus on what small businesses actually use. Even on the free plan, you can create quotes and invoices, track income and expenses, manage customers and suppliers, generate business reports, calculate VAT, submit VAT returns directly to HMRC, and apply bank rules for transaction categorization. There are no artificial caps on customers, suppliers, or accounts, which is rare at this price point. Upgrading to Pandle. To Pro at £5 per month adds live bank feeds, receipt uploads, projects, cash flow forecasting, mileage tracking, user permissions, premium invoice templates, stock control, PayPal feeds, Stripe feeds, multi-company management, recurring transactions, transaction locking, bulk editing, notes, multiple currencies, and live chat support. Instead of charging more as you grow, Pandle simply gives you everything in one flat plan, which makes budgeting incredibly straightforward. Pandle is fully compliant with Making Tax Digital and supports direct VAT submissions to HMRC, making it especially appealing to UK sole traders, freelancers, and micro businesses that want compliance without complexity. The interface is clean, minimal, and beginner-friendly, allowing users to get up and running quickly without accounting knowledge or formal training. The pros of Pandle are affordability, simplicity, and clarity. At £0 for the free plan and £5 per month plus VAT for Pro, it delivers exceptional value. There's almost no learning curve, setup is fast, and users aren't pressured into expensive upgrades just to unlock basic functionality. The cons are depth and scalability. Pandle doesn't aim to compete with enterprise-style platforms. Advanced reporting, large app ecosystems, and complex workflow customization are limited. Businesses with international operations or heavy integration needs may eventually outgrow it. In terms of user feedback on Trustpilot, both platforms perform well, though they appeal to different audiences. Xero typically holds a strong Trustpilot rating with 4.1 stars, with users praising its powerful features and integrations, while often mentioning pricing and complexity as downsides. Pandle also scores 4.6 stars, with users highlighting ease of use, excellent support, and unbeatable pricing, while noting that it intentionally avoids advanced features. Ratings change over time and vary by review volume, so always check the latest Trustpilot listings before deciding. The final takeaway is simple. If you want a powerful, scalable accounting system with deep reporting and integrations, Xero UK is built for long-term growth. If you want clear, affordable, no-nonsense accounting that handles the essentials without draining your budget, Pandle is incredibly hard to beat. Click the link below to access the software, explore the plans, and try them yourself. And if this comparison helped you save time or money, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown.